at certain areas of specialty where we can speak, right? I'm sure some of you, for example, someone knows about Pokemon or something, you can speak for 3 hours. That does not mean that I'm an idiot, I cannot do it. But मेरे पास उस level की knowledge नहीं है, simple, ठीक है? So with this, we just know what to say. That is why we are able to do. But ठीक है, that will also be taught to you. Anything else, guys? Before we proceed, anything? कुछ भी doubt, कुछ भी fear, कुछ anything? FAQ, कुछ भी? Anything from the BTC? How often does this happen? What do you want from it? We'll ask again at the end also, but abhi kuch bhi. Anything else? Aditya, Swati, anything? Nothing? Okay. So yeah, I'd like to invite Vivek and Harish. They'll answer questions.
So I'll start with very basic thing first. That is the accent problem. I believe, as Vahir said, accent is not an issue because me being someone from UP, I don't also have that posh accent, okay, which someone from Delhi or Mumbai might have. But that is not a debate. Okay? If I'm confident in what I'm speaking, I believe that is not an issue. So for accent, I believe personally you should not be afraid at all. Take for example the accent of Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani. Have you seen them speak? They are confident what they speak, no matter what their accent is. And even billionaires will sit and listen to them very carefully. And someone with posh accent, they might not even give them a second of their time. So accent is not your worry. You should remove it from your head entirely and focus on other things. The second problem which came was that ideas come but you fail to articulate them. I believe that is the biggest problem when it comes to learning to speak or stage fear or whatever. We'll address that in detail as well. But you know, when ideas come, it shows that you have knowledge. Okay? If you tell me to speak on trees, I can speak a lot. But articulation is the problem. Now I have a perfect solution for it because as someone, I also never participated in any school activities, whether coming to stage and speaking and stuff. But how I learned to articulate was through watching shows with subtitles. Because what usually happens is when you try to watch English shows, you don't know what they are saying because you're not accustomed to the way they speak, their accent. So when you have subtitles, you're getting two advantages. First of all, you're learning that what words to speak at what time. Because ultimately what happens is that you learn some word, like for example the word pretentious. Here it means you are trying to pretend something. तुम जो नहीं हो वो तुम दिखाना चाह रहे हो, उसको pretentious कहते हैं. But when you're in that situation where you have to use that word, it will go from your mind. And how will you make sure that it stays in your mind if it is in your habit? Like for example, a and the, ये जो articles होते हैं, इनको लगाने में हम कभी भूलते नहीं हैं. We know when to use them. Vowels के सामने क्या आएगा, consonants के सामने क्या आएगा. We know because it is in our habit. So when you watch these shows, when you read subtitles continuously, it becomes your habit. Same with reading books. फायदा क्या होता है कि it becomes your habit. You know कि ऐसी situation आ रही है जहाँ पे मैं सीढ़ी से गिरने वाला हूँ, तो what word I have to use, what sentence I have to speak, ठीक है? तो habit develop करनी होगी. एक दिन बैठ के पूरी डिक्शनरी पढ़ के we cannot learn the words because it needs to be in our habit. So I believe कि articulation में और अपने sentences को, अपने thoughts को sentence में convert करने में यही सबसे बड़ा रोड आता है और इसको ऐसे ही you can overcome. Next, second part is of course application. Application is through speaking and speaking through either a platform you get or through your friends. अब एक और था कि stage fear. देखो stage fear में ये होता है कि that is what platform helps you with. If you are in certain organization or certain part of a club or something, you will have a lot of people who will listen to you. If a meet is called, there are 80 people who will come. So you know if you are going to speak, 80 people will be listening. 10 will be laughing from them and 70 will be paying attention to what you are speaking. So platform will help you overcome your stage fear. And whereas your friends will help you, give you convenience. आप सुबह उठे, आप सुबह से ही बोलना चालू कर सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ. That is something which you can do. So again, one very important thing that happens is people listen to all these advices and then think कि ये तो बहुत ही basic चीजें बताई हैं. हमें कोई जादू की छड़ी क्यों नहीं दी गई? क्योंकि exist ही नहीं करती है. Practice is the only option. And the more you do it, the more you will realize that there is no shortcut. ठीक है? मतलब for anything there is no shortcut. If you follow shortcuts, you will have a downfall. Someday or the other. तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना, ठीक है? अब आते हैं next चीज पे, spontaneous thinking and external. Spontaneous thinking. See, it is something which is very advanced because one very major component of spontaneous thinking is confidence. ठीक है? Unless you won't have confidence, you won't be able to think spontaneously. Because if you have confidence in your accent or the way you speak or the words to articulate, तुम्हें उन चीजों के बारे में सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. It's like कि तुम्हें पता है कि भाई मैं अच्छे words use कर लूँगा, मुझे जो express करना है मैं कर लूँगा, तो तुम उसके बारे में टेंशन नहीं लोगे. तुम किसके बारे में टेंशन लोगे कि मेरा अगला कंटेंट क्या होना चाहिए. अगर मैं पेड़ के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ तो मैं ये बता दिया कि wood is used for making paper. मेरा अगला कंटेंट क्या होना चाहिए कि जो वुड है, जो पेपर है, जो ट्री का, या फिर जो वुड है, जो ट्री है, उसकी कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, उसकी रिलीजियस सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है. यू विल ट्राई टू डेल्व ऑन डीपर टॉपिक्स, यू विल ब्रांच आउट योर थॉट्स. इट मींस कि अगर आपको कोई टॉपिक दे दिया डेस्क, तो आप डेस्क पे ये तो बोलोगे कि इट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड. कोई नॉर्मल पर्सन क्या बोलेगा कि डेस्क इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड. ठीक है, इट हेल्प्स अ पर्सन टू से और समथिंग लाइक दैट. जो थोड़ा और एडवांस थिंकिंग करेगा, जिसको अपने आर्टिकुलेशन में दिक्कत नहीं होगी, वो सोचेगा कि कैसे डेस्क एक आदमी के जीवन में रिवॉल्यूशनरी चेंजेस लाता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बैठकर आदमी को बहुत रेडिकल थॉट्स भी आते हैं, जिसकी वजह से मे बी वो कोई टेररिस्ट अटैक प्लान कर रहा हो, या फिर बहुत ही अच्छे थॉट्स भी आते हैं यहाँ पे बैठ के कोई रिसर्च कर रहा हो. ठीक है, तो सबकॉन्शियसली जो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है आपके जीवन में बहुत चेंजेस लाता है. इस तरह के जो थॉट्स हैं, जो डाइवर्स थॉट्स हैं, वो कब आएंगे? व्हेन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर वे टू स्पीक. यू वोंट वरी अबाउट कि मुझे बोलना है, मुझे शब्द यूज करने हैं, मुझे एक्सेंट बनाना है. व्हेन यू आर नॉट वरिंग अबाउट दैट, व्हेन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दैट, तो आप कंटेंट सोच सकते हो. तो ठीक है, इट इज ऑल अ चेन, इट इज इंटरलिंक्ड. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट गो टू वन स्टेप एंड फील कि पिछले वाला स्टेप स्किप करके डायरेक्ट अगले स्टेप पे आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, यू कैन नॉट थिंक स्पॉन्टेनियसली अनलेस यू हैव कंटेंट, अनलेस यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस इन योरसेल्फ कि हम अच्छे से आर्टिकुलेट कर लेंगे. तो ठीक है, तो कंसीडर इट ऑल एज अ चेन. एवरीथिंग इज इंडिपेंडेंट, नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट, इट इज इंटरडिपेंडेंट. They all depend on each other, and based on that you will follow it sequentially. Sorry. Then second is voice modulation and shaking. It is something which I used to have a bit of problem with, because when I used to debate, my major concern was that I had a lot of thoughts, a lot of content to put up, but I did not have the power to stress on some words at a particular time. Like for example, if you would have heard Shashi Tharoor speaking, there are some words like "oh" where he emphasizes to make sure that his speech is more, impacting. It has more gravitas. So with that kind of thing is also something which is advanced. ठीक है, once you learn how to speak, once you learn what to speak, then you will try to make sure कि उसको और emphasis देके कैसे बोले, उसको और voice modulate कैसे करें. ठीक है, and as far as hand gesture is concerned, some people use hand gesture as a way of compensating their lack of ability to speak. Like for example, if I'm not able to explain you anything, I'll use my hands a lot. कि I'll do this, I'll do that. But if I'm able to explain everything well, I can even speak with my hands like this. ठीक है? तो an exercise which you can do it कि first of all, starting when you're trying to speak about something, just do your hands like this and start speaking. ठीक है? अब the point about articulation, मैं इसमें या फिर content सोचने के बारे में एक बहुत अच्छी टिप देना चाहूँगा. When you are sitting 10 minutes free, what you do is you put your hands like this and then pick a topic, random topic. Staircase. अब सोचो कि स्टेयरकेस के बारे में तुम क्या बोल सकते हो. सोचो, कैन यू ऑल गिव मी सम पॉइंट्स कि स्टेयरकेस के बारे में तुम क्या सोच सकते हो. कोई भी बेसिक से बेसिक पॉइंट से चालू करो. जस्ट रेज योर हैंड एंड टेल मी क्विकली कि स्टेयरकेस के बारे में तुम क्या क्या सोच सकते हो. गो अहेड.
Staircase helps us to go from a lower level to higher level.
परफेक्ट. से ठीक है. कोई बोल सकता है मटेरियल के बारे में. सम स्टेयरकेस आर मेड ऑफ वुड, सम आर मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, and some are made up of aluminum or steel in some yard or something. ठीक है, तो that is what you could think of. Any other revolutionary idea जो किसी के माइंड में आ रहा है?
The staircase can be used to do physical activities.
Perfect. Physical activity में कर सकते हैं something unique. ठीक है, unique आया. हमने एक दूसरे डायरेक्शन में सोचा. हमने physical exercise के डोमेन में सोचा. ठीक है. staircase से एक और यूज है. मतलब यूज नहीं है. इसको अगर आप ऐसे भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो कि ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन कैसी थी. पहले वो हॉरिजॉन्टली एक्सपैंड हो रही थी. As population was increasing, people were building their homes. Adjacent to that, another home was being built. Adjacent to that, another building was being built. So human beings were expanding horizontally. But with the invention of staircase, it might seem like something which we can ignore in our daily life, but it is a revolutionary invention. Because of staircase, the vertical, development of human civilization took place. There were homes where on various levels a lot of different activities were happening. We were able to utilize the space in a much more efficient way. Is that not a revolutionary idea? If in front of me there is someone who is saying कि भाई सीढ़ी ईंटे से बनी होती है, लकड़ी से बनी होती है, and then there I am presenting this perspective, तो क्या ये impressive नहीं है? Isn't it? And that will get develop कैसे होगा? बहुत easy है develop करना. It will take like 2 or 3 months. You speak a topic and then उसके बारे में बहुत different तरीके से सोचना चालू करो. ठीक है, कि अगर मैं शीशा सोच रहा हूँ तो एक तो है कि ग्लास से बनता है, और मैं शीशे के बारे में क्या सोच सकता हूँ. ठीक है, इसका ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस को ग्रीन हाउस ऐसे चेम्बर बनता है, उसमें सनलाइट आती है, अंदर ट्रैप हो जाती है. तो उस तरह से आप बोल सकते हो कि ग्लासेस का उसमें भी यूज होता है. ठीक है, ग्लासेस का स्पाइंग के लिए यूज होता है कि ऐसे ग्लासेस होते हैं जहाँ पे एक साइड से आप देख सकते हो, दूसरी साइड से आप नहीं देख सकते हो. तो इस तरह से आप पिक एन ऑब्जेक्ट, रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर हैंड्स एंड ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट इट इन वेरियस डोमेन्स. एंड जब तुम्हारे पास खुद देखोगे तो बस 60 पॉइंट्स आगे बोलने के लिए तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस ऑलरेडी अप हो जाएगा कि आई हैव कंटेंट, all I need is just to articulate it. Now start articulating it even in broken English if you feel so. मेरे को broken English में articulate करना है, I'll start doing it. Once you start doing that, you will feel कि you'll keep on improving day by day. When you practice this once a day, you'll improve in matter of 2 or 3 months. तो that is something which is very easy. तो that इस एक्सरसाइज को मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग फॉलो करो, ठीक है? दो जो फील की कंटेंट नहीं आता है, आर्टिकुलेट नहीं होता है, या फिर कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है, कि सिंगल एक्सरसाइज ही हैंड जैसे वाले प्रॉब्लम को भी दूर कर देगी. वंस यू स्टार्ट टू स्पीक बाय रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग योर हैंड, हैंड खोल के बोलना बहुत आसान है, ठीक है? बट एक बार हैंड रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके बोलना सीख गया तो इट इज ऑल इन योर ग्रास्प. फिर नेक्स्ट जो प्रॉब्लम था, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन, वोकैबुलरी इश्यूज. वोकैबुलरी इश्यूज आई सेड कि जस्ट वॉच शोज विद सबटाइटल्स, ठीक है? देन यू विल लर्न कि प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कोई वर्ड का यूज कैसे आता है. बिकॉज आप डिक्शनरी में तो पढ़ लेते हो, बट उसको प्रैक्टिकली कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करोगे वो नहीं समझ पाते हो अनलेस यू गेट एन एग्जांपल. और हमारे चारों तरफ ऐसा तो नहीं ना कि लोग परमानेंट इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, कि वी आर हियरिंग टाइम टू टाइम कि इस वर्ड को यहाँ भी यूज किया जाता है, ऐसा तो नहीं है. वी आर ऑल स्पीकिंग हिंदी. तो हम कैसे डेवलप करें? यू वॉच शोज, वो शोज देखो जहाँ पे परमानेंटली इंग्लिश बोली जाती है सबटाइटल के साथ. आपका एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो जाएगा, प्लस यू लर्न द वर्ड्स टू स्पीक. तो ये प्रॉब्लम भी आपकी हिंदी टू इंग्लिश जो ट्रांसलेशन है जो माइंड में होती है, इट विल क्योर इट, ठीक है? इट विल सॉल्व इट टू अ ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट. अब इसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो प्रॉब्लम था, जो कि मैंने लास्ट के लिए बचा के रखा है, स्टेज फियर एंड नॉट बीइंग एबल टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन. तो बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट आई सेड सो फार, व्हाई डू यू थिंक कि we people don't have stage fear? Can someone tell me? Based on whatever I spoke, I believe you must have gotten the idea. Why don't we have stage fear?
Practice.
Practice, first of all, very good. Spoken many times ago. Practice listening.
Content, you already have content.
We have the content. We did not prepare it. We are thinking spontaneously, based on our own experiences. Ki what we faced throughout the years, from class 9 till here. Based on that, we are giving you crux. So we have content, but we have not written it. That is the thing. And also, we have practiced it a lot extensively, as he said. There is one more factor.
Confidence.
Hmm?
Confidence.
Confidence, exactly. When you develop, how you develop confidence? By engaging in practice. As I said, it is all interlinked. If you try to skip one step, कि भाई मुझे मैं practice तो करना पर मुझे अभी सिर्फ confidence चाहिए, तो नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है? तो that was the whole crux of it. I believe जिसने भी थोड़ा सा भी ध्यान से सुना होगा, उसको एक पैटर्न दिख गया होगा कि how sequentially you have to achieve it, ठीक है? तो again at that we will entertain more questions. इसको कुछ और भी डाउट होगा जो कि मे भी हम लोग बताना भूल गए, you all can ask. अभी हरीश will do it, ठीक है?
So you want me to myself Harish. So I won't be taking much time given the fact my fellows have taken and most of the topics, but still I would like to emphasize on a few topics. I will be asking a few questions to you guys. Do you guys ever heard of the term active listening? And how active listening can contribute to the effective communication? And just have a try, make a try of it. Active listening, I mean to say.
It is speaking from both the sides.
Could you just please elaborate?
Suppose you are speaking and I am also answering and asking questions to you. Is that it is kind of active speaking and listening.
Okay, nice try. Anyone else, please? Just make a try. Don't feel shy or feel in the way that you will answer in a wrong way. So fine. I will just explain it to you. Basically, active listening. The point is, when it comes to effective communication is not just about speaking and just stating facts. It's more than that. And active listening is a vital part of it. The point is, when you are not listening to someone carefully, that means you are not valuing them. You are not valuing their thoughts. I am pretty sure that this problem you have witnessed many times. When someone is just speaking and you are interrupting them in between. So there is something that makes them feel disvalued. So, and to have a better sense of understanding with them, you need to listen to their points. Even if you are having some sense of conflict of interest or you have some clashes of opinions, you need to listen to their points very well. Because generally it happens, whenever we are in an informal conversation or something, you just interrupt your friend and in between. And in that sense, you will not be able to have a better sense of understanding. So have a better sense of understanding, you need to listen to their points, even if you have some different opinions about it. The other thing I would like to emphasize upon is how to address different audiences, basically different set of people. So, do you guys ever had faced issues regarding when it comes to addressing different audiences. We are very well with certain group of individuals, but when it comes to addressing different individuals, you face a problem. Let me just give you an example. Let's suppose you're working on a project and you are supposed to deliver it in front of engineers. You will be able to explain very well using certain technical terms, but let's suppose you are asked to explain the same thing to not that educated people in a simpler words. You will not be able to do that. You will not be able to do that thing because this is a lack. You are not, because you are not comfortable with that set of people. So this is the thing you need to work upon. And with the sessions ahead, we will make sure that you will learn those things. One thing more, the another thing that I like to emphasize upon is, the point about clarity of thoughts. That you have some thoughts, but you are not able to implement them properly. This happens because you don't have clarity of those thoughts. Let's suppose you initiate one problem. I'm pretty sure you all guys have witnessed that you initiate conversation, but you're not able to carry it forward. You start with things, but you fail to do so, and in the way to carry it forward. So for that, you should be clear here first. You should be clear ahead in the way that what to speak and what not to speak. That's all. And apart from this, there are certain other things that you need to incorporate in your life in order to have a better effective communication. That includes your hand gestures, your eye contact, basically your body language. So all these things contribute to the effective communication. Any more questions you guys have, you just ask them.
Before questions, one very important point which Guest Harish raised was that active listening. No? You all understood the term active listening, what it is about. Even if you have a conflict of interest, you hear what the other person is saying. That was a very vital point, because when you go for good discussions, there will be someone who will be speaking something very obnoxious. If you interrupt them, if you start screaming at them in perfect English, still you will be disqualified, because you do not have the patience to listen to that person even if his opinion is different from yours. So that is something which you have to take care of. Also, when you go for interviews, it is not certain that the person who is HR or the one who is taking your interview will have the same opinion as you in certain topics. If you try to fight with them at that point and you're not being smart enough about that, you'll face rejection. Okay? If you're interjecting them because you are agitated because something is said, learn to ignore. Learn to be very impartial when you are in certain professional settings. If someone is saying something in a professional setting which you don't agree with, which you feel is extremely blasphemous, ignore. Be extremely impartial and neutral. Respond to it in a neutral way. That is again a very active, important part of active listening. It is not just about what you speak, how you speak, it is also about patience and the way you listen. Okay? So keep that in mind when you are there for professional GDs or interviews. Okay? Because ultimately at that heat of the moment, people don't realize it. They start engaging in any kind of argument, and that ultimately leads to rejection. And after coming from interview, they'll be like, okay, I argued with them so well. I must be selected because I put forward my point so well. But the other person took it on their ego. They're like, इसको तो नहीं लेंगे. ठीक है? So when in corporate life, these are the tactics which you have to follow. But of course, not in informal settings. There you are free to open and put forward your views in much better way possible, as much as you want.
Can I just add one more?
Yeah.
Earlier question was asked about stage fright. I'm sure there are a lot of people here who feel that they have a crippling fear of being present in front of people and speaking. And I'm sure my friends here mentioned lots of ways you can help fix that. And I won't speak for everyone, but personally, that is something that I have. I have severe stage fright. I am very scared right now. But the point in effectively communicating your ideas is being able to do it despite all the negatives of it. You might be standing here, you might be very scared. Maybe your head's going blank, maybe you're not sure what to say next. But if you have the confidence you require, if you feel that you have the merit that requires for you to stand here and speak and inform other people of the things that you know, that is all you require. It is something maybe you won't be able to completely fix, but the important thing is being able to do it despite everything. We'll continue the next part.
Should continue.
Also, one more question was there regarding handshaking. when you're trying to speak but your hands are shaking and your voice is being trembling. So that is a problem which you face in the initial days, because that happens because of adrenaline. The hormone kicks in, you have a lot of energy, you want to let it out, but you have to speak in a very controlled manner. So because of that, your legs start shaking, your hands start shaking. But once you overcome that, once this activity of speaking is not a very big issue to you, like for example, if you were to tell me go and bat and do bowling, you go and do batting. Okay? I'm not used to it. I don't play cricket every week. What will happen? I'll be very nervous, and because of that, the adrenaline will kick in, and my hands will be shaking. I'll keep on thinking यहाँ मारूँ, ठीक है? But if I practice enough, मेरी बॉडी उसको थिंक करने लगती है कि कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये तो रोज का है. खाना खाने में किसी के हाथ कांपते हैं? नहीं कांपते ना, because you are used to it. So what you get used to it, आपका जो hand shaking and neck shaking वो बंद हो जाएगा. So don't be worried about that. That is something which you will cure on your own in maybe a month. But just keep on practicing. Make your body adapt to the speaking criteria. कि okay, this is something very normal. Speaking in front of 80 people is not a big issue. छोटी सी बात है, मैं कर लूँगा. Once your body finally accepts this fact, your hand trembling will ultimately stop. ठीक है? And with that, we'll begin with the demonstration. Start with the. Yes,
Bhaiya, sometimes we face that we zone out when listening to someone. So how can we overcome that?
Zoning out, I believe that is a problem of concentration. ठीक है? मतलब if someone is speaking, tell your brain for 15-20 minutes कि ये मेरी जिंदगी का सवाल है, सुन लेते हैं. तो you just try to concentrate and try to listen to it. मतलब there is no alternative. ठीक है? मतलब अब वो तो concentration की बात होगी. पढ़ाई के टाइम we start scrolling on Instagram. We have to just concentrate. There is no other alternative. But हो जाएगा. Not a very big deal.
Yeah, how to maintain our body language when we are blanked out in a sentence or in a conversation?
अच्छा ठीक है. What I use in this situation is deviate the topic. अगर मुझसे कुछ पूछा गया और मुझे इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं आता, तो मैं बात घुमा देता हूँ. अब बात घुमाओगे कब आप कैसे? जब आप अपनी स्पीकिंग स्किल में कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि मुझे बोलना बहुत अच्छे से आता है, पर बस घुमा के ले जाना है इसको. तो आप ये सोचोगे माइंड में कि घुमाना कैसे है. आप ये नहीं सोचोगे कि बोलना कैसे है. ठीक है? तो बोलना कैसे वाले पार्ट पे अगर आप काबू पा लेते हो तो घुमाना कैसे बहुत आसानी से सीख जाओगे. अगर तुम मुझसे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का कोई टर्म पूछोगे जो मुझे नहीं आता, तो वाइवा में घुमाने लग जाऊंगा. ठीक है? दैट यूजुअली हैपेंस. तो जो सामने बैठा वो पकड़ लेता है. अब इसमें दो केस होता है. आइदर ही इज वेरी एंग्री कि भाई जो पूछा है तो बता नहीं रहा, और ही इज लाइक कि ठीक है, ही इज मेकिंग एन एफर्ट, ही इज ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट हिज आइडियाज, और या फिर आई कमेंट हिम कि भाई चलो घुमा रहा है टॉपिक को, कुछ तो बोल रहा है. तो दो केस होता है, वो सामने वाले पे डिपेंड करता है. बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज बेटर देन स्टेइंग साइलेंट.
Okay, before we proceed, don't worry about advanced things. Okay. For example, even gestures and blanking out, zooming out, those things, they are advanced stuff. Right now, don't worry about it. Focus on your basics. Someone learning addition does not need to worry about differential equations. Okay. Take it step by step, and you will all learn everything. Okay.
So we will be doing some demonstration. ठीक है? So you from audience pick a topic and tell us. Will be speaking without any preparation. Go ahead. Pick any topic. Not something hyper specific कि भैया hyper group पे बोलिए. तो क्या होता है मुझे नहीं पता. ठीक है? भैया फिर घुमाने लग जाएंगे बात को. ठीक है? तो pick a topic.
Just propose.
मतलब वो तो फिर बहुत ज़्यादा.
वो हमारी स्पेशलिटी है.
वो हमारी स्पेशलिटी है. तो हमारी स्पेशलिटी.
Apart from regular political.
हाँ, कुछ जनरल टॉपिक बताइए. जनरल टॉपिक कुछ भी which you feel कि यार इसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बोला जा सकता.
Dressing sense.
हाँ बिल्कुल. स्टार्ट करें जनाब. You will start with which? नहीं जो बोला है वो एक दोनों. फॉरन दोनों.
So I'll start off with against. Personally, I feel that whilst it is important to dress in an appropriate manner, depending on where you are presenting yourself and where you are. But I feel that the most important thing for you to convey to people is not just the way you are dressed, but also the way you present your ideas and the content in your ideas. That is the most important thing. I feel if someone is being judged negatively for maybe wearing a misfitting shirt, I feel I will look down upon the person judging rather than looking down upon the person who's wearing a misfitting shirt. So I feel if you have the content, if you have the ideas, if you feel that you have the merit, then I don't feel that clothing is something that should negatively affect you. But on the other hand, clothing is something that the way you carry yourself is one of the most important things, and people do say that first impressions matter, and they do. First impression will be from the way you are dressed. Before listening to your ideas, before listening to your language or your command over the language or whichever technical skills that you are there to show them, the first thing they'll notice is the way you are dressed, and that is the first thing they will judge from you. That opinion might change over time if you are able to counter that with your merit. But again, the most important thing is your first impression.
And in the topic if dressing sense पे बोलो किसी के दिमाग में और कोई revolutionary topic है तो बताओ अगर नहीं तो मैं dressing sense पे चालू कर रहा हूँ ठीक है manipulation okay so manipulation as a word is something which is seen in a very negative light but it has both aspects the good one and the bad one. Let me start with the bad one. Manipulation in its essence is something which is related to criminals or someone who has vested interest who wants to do something bad to the other person. That is what manipulation is initially linked to. Manipulation in the form of cheating, manipulation in the form of accusing someone of something, manipulation in the form of producing evidences which are false in nature. So in that way, manipulation has always been termed in a very negative light, and that has overshadowed the essence of the word and how it can be used for greater good or for the greater bad. It is something which is very neutral in nature. Manipulation in its essence is not something which is practiced by humans only. It is something which is practiced by animals also. If you look at various documentaries by Animal Planet, there are certain animals who indulge in some form of manipulation to make sure that they get what they want. Manipulation in order to get a partner, manipulation in order to get food, in order to get water, is something which is very common in nature. Therefore, it is the very sense of consciousness that happens in order to get what people want. Because ultimately, nature is all about survival, and survival can happen through various ways. And also manipulation is a trick which is used by people who do not have enough physical strength. For example, if someone is 6 feet and 200 kg having a lot of muscle power, you cannot beat him in a direct fight, but you can manipulate him into a way where he falls into a pit, where his life is destroyed. So manipulation in its essence is a very useful tool. If you try to look at it in a very positive light, then what we do in an interview, all we do is manipulation. We try to manipulate the interviewer in feeling that we are the best employee for them, which they should hire, so that we will make sure we'll make sure that we do the work that the company goes from $1 million valuation to $12 billion valuation. We are the key person. We are the one who will make sure that the company rises to fame, and the one who is the employer becomes a billionaire overnight. We try to manipulate the employer in making him or her think that we are the right person for the company. So manipulation is something which always have one objective, and that is personal growth, or a growth where or an objective where we are benefited in some form or another. That is the only objective of manipulation. Now that benefit is either good or bad is something that depends on the person who is the one who is manipulating. So in that way, this word is in a grey area. It should not be taken in only a bad sense or a good sense.
Okay. So that brief overview idea that we wanted to convey is we can speak on any topic. Okay. We are not doing that to show that we are smart. We are doing that to just demonstrate that we can do it, so you can do it too. Okay, with practice. So we do a very simple thing. This involved some terms that we are specialists in manipulation, we are masters of. But I'll ask you something very simple. Anyone, just stand up and start speaking anything you want on the topic which is tree. Tree words सुनके कुछ भी दिमाग में आ रहा है? Both. Anyone. Either you start or I'll start picking. Okay, you do one thing. I'll make it even simple. The color blue. Blue color. Say anything. Start.
So the topic you to me is about blue. The blue is one of the base color.
Acha, I'll introduce something that a few of you already know, particularly Aditya Swati. I'll give you a chance to speak. You'll speak within 5-6 seconds perhaps. I'll tell you to sit down, the next person will begin. Okay? Does not mean you have to speak in the same topic, or the same direction he is going. Topic same रहेगा. But इसके मतलब नहीं कि जो वो बोल रहा है वही continue करना. समझो? You can speak in another domain. So pay attention, listen. Okay? Start.
So the color blue is one of the most vibrant color that I feel because it is mostly used in many parts, like in cars. And often we have seen the color of the sky is blue. It is due to the reflection of light. And also we can also see that the blue color is one of the most kind of used color.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Sit. Stand.
Blue color is a basic color, and we all know we used to wear the blue jeans and blue shirts.
ठीक है बोलो कोई बात नहीं.
Take your time and speak.
कुछ भी हो सकता है जैसे ब्लू उसकी शर्ट में
At
blue
least
color
speak
style
three
में.
sentences.
Whatever is observed in the room. About blue color.
Sky is blue and blue.
ठीक है good. You speak about tiger. Stand.
Well, tigers are one of the most vibrant animals that I have seen. We say that lion is the king of jungle. However, when you look at tiger and his muscles, they are like very aesthetics in the sense, and the very color and the pattern on his.
Good. Thank you. Sit. Tiger.
Tiger is the king of jungle. It is an animal weighing 200 kgs and he is a carnivore.
Thank you. Sit. Amitabh Bachchan.
We everyone know that Amitabh Bachchan is also called Big B of the Bollywood industry, and he has a lot of experience. And we all know he is also known as the Angry Man.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan is known for his famous show on Mera Karorpati, and I also love his voice and the way that he addresses to everyone, and the using of his voice in every movie.
Thank you. NIT Agartala.
NIT Agartala is one of the 29 NITs which is known for its excellence in teaching engineering and science courses, and it has a lush green campus with an NIT Agartala.
Okay. India. बोलो. Take your time.
When it comes to India, that I am so proud of is that its diversity and its richness in its cultural aspect. And I'm glad that I am being part of India because we celebrate the basic elements such as water, land, and we almost take them as mother and something.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Last bench. Speak about democracy. Or speak about chocolate.
So chocolate is made up of cocoa, which comes from some sort of plant, and chocolate is also made up of some different other ingredients.
Good. Thank you. Sit. Next.
My aspect to chocolate is a little different. Chocolate can be used in form celebrations. For example, if I'm having my friend's birthday, I can give him chocolates. And secondly, if I'm having a bad day, I can have chocolates and them as well.
Good. Thank you. Sit. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein is known for his scientific innovation. He has very brilliant mind. He has contributed to our world in the form of many inventions. He demonstrated photoelectric.
Good. Thank you. Sit. Physics.
Physics is a subject which is very interesting to everyone if we read it in a experimental manner, like with.
Take it. Good. Thank you. Sit. Diwali.
Diwali is a festival of light, happiness, it spreads.
Okay. Continue. Take your time.
In general, we share happiness in form of sweets to everyone.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Sit. Summer vacation.
Summer vacations are the part of the year when we go to homes and go to our hometown, to our nani and nana's house, and be in a village with see the city people, go to the villages,
Good.
spend
Thank
time
you. Sit.
at the homes.
Your birthday.
Birthday is a day, a very special day for a person on which
ठीक है. Continue. Take your time.
we celebrate the special day with our friends and family, and we cut cake on that day. And
ठीक. Very good. Swati. Engineering.
Engineering is a scope that people used to prefer. Engineering is a of different types according to interest and the choice. Different people choose different types of engineering. Someone is interested in computer science, electronics. Engineering is a field where not people develop only their skills,
Very
they
good.
get to learn.
Very good. Thank you. Next, speak about hockey.
What?
Hockey.
Hockey. Hockey is the international game of India, and in hockey there are 11 players, among which 9 play the game, and it is a game of 2 teams in which they.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Sid. Speak about Mumbai.
Mumbai is one of the grand cities that we all aspire to live there, and it is one of the places that we want to establish our future office. And although there is a lot of rush, but there are a lot of business opportunities as well.
Good. Thank you, Sid. Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan is a very famous celebrity in our country. He is also very famous in Dubai. And Shah Rukh Khan is Shah Rukh Khan.
Bolo, you are speaking well.
On Shah Rukh Khan, we can talk about many things like he has a beautiful house and he is living in Mumbai.
Okay, very good. Very good. You should speak about USA.
What's
USA.
USA. United States of America is very big country which has very strong armed power defense, and it's also invest in very research and developments in the world, or it's also do not play any more games, but it not
Perfect. Chole bhature. Tell me.
Chole bhature is most famous food in our country. We all are.
ठीक है, सही बोलो, सही बोलो.
We all are used to eat it, but it has some wrong things, like it has most oily, so most of the people not prefer it.
Okay, good. Sit. Sky. Kuch bhi, anything about the sky?
Sky is blue.
ठीक है, सही बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तुम टाइम लेके बोलो, बट बोलो, ठीक है.
Sky is blue. Sky is part of it.
ठीक है.
In sky, different color.
Different gases, different types of clouds. सही बोलो. Done नहीं, better. Good. Devim, can you speak about Pani Puri?
Okay, Pani Puri in its essence is just a snack, but people attach different importance to it. For example, usually it is seen that girls love Pani Puri, and maybe it is a part of human psyche that the females prefer Pani Puri a lot more as compared to males. Pani Puri is something which is very versatile. It can be turned into a sweet by putting chocolates in it, or it can be turned into something very spicy or savory.
Thank you. Perfect. Harish, please speak about Cristiano Ronaldo.
So basically, Cristiano Ronaldo is a Portuguese footballer considered as the greatest of all time when it comes to football. He has played for multiple teams: Real Madrid, Juventus, Manchester United, Sporting CP. As of now, he's playing in Al Nassr.
Okay, thank you. Stop me for time. Okay, Siddharth, please speak about education.
When we're talking about nation building, one of the most important things that we have to address is education. There have been multiple attempts in the world to establish civilization, but one of the most important aspects of establishing a nation state or civilization or an organization of any sort, one of the most important things you need is education, and people being aware of what is going on around them and what has happened before them to correctly calculate what is to be done forward.
Okay, perfect. Srijan, please speak about Congress.
So being someone who has been a big fan of the freedom fighters of our country, basically the Indian National Congress, so the topic given to me is something I have speciality about, and I know the internal things going on in the Indian National Congress. Speaking about Congress, Congress has been the oldest political party, one of the oldest political party of this entire globe. and they have played a very significant role in the independence of our great nation. After the independence, they are the party that has ruled the entire nation, not ruled but served the nation for about 60 plus years. Right now, they are facing some downfalls, but I am pretty sure that being a supporter of the party and being someone who follow their ideology, Congress will get back to its track, and we will have the Congress Raj in this country, and we will have them serving the nation.
Good, perfect. So, first of all, clap for all of you. You guys did so well. Why am I doing this? I'm not fine. In the Model United Nations Committee, we do this. Instead of clapping, we do this. So, एक बार इधर करो. So, one purpose was to show you that you can. Simple. You can do it. आप में से कितने लोगों ने हैंड रेज किया कि मेरे को पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में डर लगता है, लोगों के सामने नहीं बोल पाता, टॉपिक नहीं समझ पाता? टॉपिक पहले दिया था, अभी दिया. इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, लोग भी थे, स्पेशलिस्ट थे, सीनियर्स थे, बट आपने तो बोल दिया. तो वो डर को हटा. ठीक है, विल टेक सम टाइम, विल हेल्प यू गेट देयर, बट डोंट बी अफ्रेड. ठीक है, एंड यू सॉ व्हाट यू कैन डू एंड यू ऑल डिड वेरी वेल, ऑल ऑफ यू. ठीक है, so you should be proud of yourself for that. Regarding various steps and all of the things, so many things have been told to you. We'll, again, when the time comes, we'll help you get through it and we'll guide you. But I hope, based on whatever has been discussed from our side so far, you have been able to see that there is no fault in you. Okay? You can do it and you can do a phenomenal job at it, as you yourself showed, right? Okay? Some things need to be done. I hope you are consistent with it, you are disciplined with it, and then everything should be very, very good. Okay, so that if there are any feedback, anything remaining, you guys can do it or then the BTC can.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is pronunciation is a problem in communication?
Pronunciation. हाँ, मतलब जो भी बोल रहे हो सही से बोलना चाहिए, but it takes time, right? Again, it is an advanced thing.
Pronunciation of a word.
हाँ, मतलब you should pay attention to it, but first thing, learn it, मतलब सीख लो अच्छे से. You will realize that कि जैसे आप सीखोगे, आप automatically सही से बोलोगे. ठीक है, because जिससे भी सीख रहे हो, अगर मुझसे सीख लो, we will try to teach you in the right way. ठीक है, it is like an additional thing. For example, अगर तुम प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो तो how much you want to spend on beautification. ठीक है, उसको ब्यूटिफाई करना है, ज़्यादा एक्सोटिक करना है. So it is a good thing, but वो बात है. ठीक है.
One more thing to add on this, just the pronunciation one. The pronunciation problem is something which might stay with you for very long. Being someone from UP, मेरा UP accent लेकर बाहर आ जाता है, ठीक है, it is pretty evident. But that is not an issue. मतलब जब तक मेरी बात तुम्हें समझ में आ रही है, that is all that matters. ठीक है, तो accent या फिर pronunciation को उतनी दिक्कत नहीं है. With time it will decrease. Maybe it might never become zero, but still थोड़ा सा मिलेगा तो it's fine. People know that the person in front of me specializes in a lot of aspects. उसमें जरूरी नहीं कि आप communication एकदम 100 हो, ठीक है? Unless and until you are very clear, you are able to articulate your thoughts very well, that is all that matters.
डे-टू-डे एक्टिविटीज में हम लोगों को क्या-क्या इंक्लूड करना चाहिए कि जिससे हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छा हो?
मैंने एक्सरसाइज क्या बताई, प्लीज रिपीट.
हाँ,
मैंने एक्सरसाइज क्या बताई, प्लीज रिपीट इन डिटेल.
पहले बात तो बताया था कि बुक पढ़ना है.
हाँ, वो तो ठीक है.
हाँ, उसके बाद मूवी देखना है, मूवी की इंग्लिश
सबटाइटल
सबटाइटल
है.
और उसके बाद अभी कोई भी टॉपिक लेके सोचना है, डिफरेंट कोई भी चीज लेके.
I'll repeat this activity again. Restrict your hands. Sit somewhere for 10 minutes. Think about a very common thing, like for example a building, and try to think about it in various aspects and try to speak it. Okay? Don't just keep it in your head. Try to speak it as well. Form a lot of points, various different domains, and then try to speak it. Do it for 10 minutes a day only. You feel like both your articulating power, your way of thinking, and in which different directions you can think of, वो improve हो जाएगा. ये activity करनी ही करनी है. Within 2 or 3 months, you will be amazing, trying to express your thought. तो एक बार देखो, बाकी remember it in practice.
देखो, एक बुक है, बुक रीडिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो नाम की एक बुक है. ओके, रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो. ठीक है, उस बुक का PDF है जो भी है आपको लेना है एंड ट्राई टू रीड इट. ठीक है, 2-3 पेजेस. अभी आई नो एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, तो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आप कल पढ़ लोगे पूरा. टेक योर टाइम, पूरा दिसंबर लेना है ले लो, जनवरी लेना है ले लो, बट यू हैव टू रीड. जब आप रीड करोगे तो हर पेज पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ कीवर्ड्स मिलेंगे. आई नो ने बोला था, फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. कीवर्ड्स मिलेंगे, उन पे ध्यान दो और वैसे करके आप सीख लो. ठीक है, तो ट्राई टू डू दैट. एंड एनीथिंग एल्स?
Because some people are naturally loud, and some people have a very calm way of speaking. That is not a defect. Unless you have to speak in front of 100 people without a mic, loudness is not a problem.
देखो, it is something that depends on the occasion and मतलब what is exactly happening. Like if pattern will teach, so there is a particular way to do it. ठीक है? And if you are angry at someone, if you have to, as they will rightly mention, you have to address a large crowd without the mic. तो ठीक है, जैसा occasion होगा उसके हिसाब से your voice will adapt. Never think कि मेरे पास वो आवाज थी. You can do it. ठीक है? It's just the occasion. Any other questions? Any doubts? There are no silly questions. First you can.
So when we give us a topic, we are thinking in a one direction, and we are speaking in that one direction. Thinking in a different aspect and talking in a different aspect at that time is very difficult. So how do you do it?
I believe first things first is we should not focus more about how we can do it right at that time spontaneously. Focus more on how we can do it even if we have 10 minutes of time. Like as I said in the activity, I said take 10 minutes of preparation time. If you are thinking about a bottle, take 10 minutes of preparation time. One way you can speak about the materials in which it is made of and the purpose it serves, and you can talk about different sizes of bottle, how different sizes have a different purpose to fulfill. Then you can also talk about that how the invention of bottle enabled humans to travel far away distances with a supply to sustain themselves, and because of that it encouraged exploration. If we never had any bottle or any container to store our water, how will people from Europe come to India, because they cannot drink the ocean water?
देखो, I tell you, one very simple way to develop that thinking is कोई भी topic, let's say tree है या bottle, you have a bottle with you, अभी नहीं होगा बाद में. Ask yourself very simple, this works for anything. How does that make you feel? Let's say you like that water. क्यों पसंद है? क्योंकि it stores enough water. ठीक है? Water से क्या होता है? Your thirst is gone. It is good for your health. जैसे आप ये पूछोगे कि मुझे इससे क्या फील होता है, 5 to 6 सब टॉपिक्स फिर हो गए. ठीक है? कोई चीज नहीं पसंद है, क्यों नहीं पसंद? क्या वो चीज बेटर बन सकती है, क्यों नहीं बन सकती? It will automatically create a lot of subtopics. ठीक है?
जैसे मैंने हेल्थ का बोला, तो वाटर से बॉटल में वाटर स्टोर होता है, ड्रिंकिंग एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन अ डे क्योर्स हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स. ऐसे थोड़ा घुमाना भी रहता है. यू कैन नॉट स्टे ऑन दैट टॉपिक ऑल द टाइम. 5 पॉइंट टॉपिक पे होंगे, 2 पॉइंट इधर उधर होंगे, बट यू हैव टू करेक्ट इट समवेयर. ठीक है? तो स्टार्टिंग में टेक सम टाइम, 5 minutes 10 minutes, think about different aspects. Once you get adapted to it, जो तुम्हारे used हो जाओगे इससे, then you will be able to do it spontaneously.
So sir, how can we address counter arguments?
वो debating is. ठीक? but अभी अगर कोई भी नहीं
wait, it's specialized in debating thing. अभी के जो ऑनलाइन सीरीज में how to broaden your thinking, इस पर डिस्कशन हो ही चुका है. तो ये with time you will be able to connect a lot of subtopics to a given topic and automatically your thinking will broaden. तो फिर कुछ भी हो जाए, like we can say confidently, we say that कि तुम कोई भी टॉपिक ले लो, we will beat you, the way defeat you. ऐसा नहीं कि we are the greatest team in the world, but because we have that confidence, we have it. So that will come to you as well. बस time देना है.
Also one more thing, एक चीज should be while practicing, please look in the eyes. ठीक है? Many people, as you also were doing, that you are speaking while looking up. Don't do that. Don't look down, don't look up. When you're speaking, dead stare in the eye to your friend, not to the interviewer. Yeah? Interviewer you can do it, but not aggressively, because he might feel like he धमका रहा है. That is something we need to avoid. But when you're practicing with your friends, look them in the eye. इससे क्या होता है कि when you're speaking in front of an audience, तो एक जो fear होता है ना कि मैं audience का चेहरा देख के घबरा जाऊंगा, वो निकल जाएगा. तो when you're practicing, speak while looking in the eye.
Guys, any other questions? कुछ भी question हो सकते हैं, कोई clear की बात नहीं है. Any question?
Like this is not a speaking or any English related problem, but how did you all guys manage to maintain the consistency in practicing English over last couple of years?
See, I can only speak about myself and these guys can speak. As I said, when I started, see, I just very briefly. The school I come from, they are very good. Like I'm from Patna, Bihar. They are very good at debating. And उनकी भी टीम थी, मैं पहली बार गया था, and I was the worst guy. ठीक है, मैं शेक कर रहा था, कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहा था. I felt very bad. मैं लोगों को प्राइज में सबको मिला. फिर I thought कि मेरे को learn करना है. तो वहाँ पे I started debating. College आके I debated only for like 1 year something, then we started doing this. My point is this. एक बार आपने बेस बना लिया, उसके बाद you don't need to actively do something. ठीक है? जैसे for example कोई अगर ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, आप अच्छा करते हो, तो हर दिन आप 100 क्वेश्चन थोड़ी बनाते हैं. मतलब एक बनाया, 2 बनाया, 5 बनाया, and you maintain that. बस उससे ज़्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं. जहाँ तक बात है स्पीकिंग की इम्प्रूवमेंट की, तो एक सर्टेन टाइम तक आपको बल्क करना है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होता। नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन में ही आपकी थिंकिंग इतनी बढ़ चुकी होती है कि आपको और कुछ डेली बेसिस पे नहीं करना, और अगर कुछ करना है तो देयर आर क्लब्स फॉर दैट, जैसे यहाँ पे इनिशिएटिव बीटीसी ने किया है, दैट इज इनफ।
And one thing I can add to Chaitanya bhaiya, English is just a language. So if you want to learn it, just इस बात को निकाल दो दिमाग से कि English is something big. It is just a language like Hindi. You didn't thought of for someday that I want to learn Hindi. You started practicing it, you started speaking Hindi, and you learned it. Similarly, all of us did the same. We started speaking English. We didn't think anything. We just started. So you just have to start.
Okay guys, any other questions? Push over, push over. Any questions? You have any doubts? Any fear? For example, तुम बोल रहे थे जब मैं जैसे जा रहा था कि you don't want to speak, right? बताओ क्यों? तुमने देखना अच्छा बोला, ठीक है? डर को मन में देखो, your biggest enemy will be your own mind, ठीक है? तुम यहाँ आ गए, NIT में आ गए, तुमने इतने लोगों को beat करके लाखों को हरा के रखा है, अब तुम इतने के सामने बोल रहे हो, even though you are afraid, तो it shows you character. कि तुम इतना ब्रेक हो, तुम इतना कुछ कर सकते, तो तुम कभी भी खुद को पीछे मत रखो, ठीक है? तुम बेस्ट बन सकते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। That is true for everyone, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि इज माय फ्रेंड, सबके लिए। Don't defeat yourself in your own mind, ठीक है? Be confident, at least try. क्या होगा? लोग हंसेंगे। If you can say कि ठीक है आप अच्छा बोल रहे हो, I cannot tell you कितने बार मैंने गड़बड़ की है, लोग हंसे, क्या फर्क? बताओ? It does not make any difference. आप कुछ सीख रहे हो तो गलती तो करोगे ना, दैट इज द डेफिनेशन। कुछ लर्न कर रहे हो तो मास्टर थोड़ी ऑलरेडी, तो जब सीख रहे हो तो मिस्टेक तो होगा ही होगा, तो उसमें शर्त इस बात, ठीक है? सीखो एंड देन यू विल बिकम, ठीक है? एनी क्वेश्चंस गाइस? एनीथिंग?
When I speak, my words are mixed up. How can I improve?
Mixed up मतलब कैसे?
When I speak, then I speak sometimes fastly, so they are mixed up.
Wait, you know the answer. तुमको काम करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Take your time, slow down your words, and then speak. एक एडवांटेज होता है कि it exudes a peaceful energy, ठीक है? आप ओवरऑल सबको ये दिखाते हो कि you are calm and composed, ठीक है? तो you can do it. करना कैसे? सिंपल, कि तुम एक चीज़ कर सकते हो, सिंपल, जैसे तुम मान लो किसी टॉपिक बोर्ड जैसे तुमने बताया, ठीक है? तो अपने फोन में वॉइस रिकॉर्डर ऑन कर दो, उसको सुनो, तुमको रियलाइज होगा कहाँ का तो बहुत तेज हो, ठीक है? एंड तुम ऑटोमेटिकली 2-3 बार सुनकर इम्प्रूव कर, ठीक है?
I have the same problem. I sometimes speak so fast कि मेरा दिमाग में 5 मिनट रहते हैं और 2 मिनट निकलते हैं, तीसरा मिनट फिक्स हो जाता है उसमें. So that happens, but you have to speak slowly and then you have to maintain a calm composure. उसके बाद you will be able to speak in a much more clear, like I did right.
If may I add? Yeah, that was a very good question. When you feel that there's a lot of things going on in your head, you have too many things to say, or you feel that you don't have too much to say, but it's getting all jumbled down, take a moment before you speak. It's fine, take a moment. It might even aid you in your speech. It will create more captivating presence. लोग सुनने लगेंगे कि भाई क्या बोलने वाला आदमी रुक के बोल रहा है. But get up, take a moment, gather your thoughts, take a deep breath, and then you speak. कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा उससे. In fact, it will help you out.
Guys, any other questions? Anything? Push through. There is no problem in it. Push through.
What will be the frequency of these sessions?
We'll be able to explain, but we'll see.
We'll brief you in there.
We'll let. Guys, any other questions? There are questions for me. ठीक है? तो अगर कुछ भी है तो पूछो. बोलो क्या बोलो? Nothing? ठीक. Wait.
workshop and they've done this with such nice efforts. Secondly, take a minute to applaud yourselves for being such a great audience. Well, just to summarize whatever they've said, the first part of communication is just accepting that this is something you need to build on, right? When it comes to your future endeavors, when it comes to placements, when it comes to interviews, I know all of us present in this room are very, very well versed in their hard skills, in their technical skills. But one very important thing is conveying your ideas to the other person. So communication plays a major role in that. Yes, there are some technicalities when it comes to that. There is a proper way to do it, and all those things will be addressed via these sessions, which is why we have taken this initiative. Yes, so we would love some feedback from you guys.
It was very good. I was thinking that it would be very mediocre, but the quality and the effort was very good. And I hope to see such events more in the future.
Alright, thank you. Anything else? Any feedback, any suggestions, any things that you want us to do in the future? Come on, just speak up. Well, all these sessions are designed for you, so whatever you need, we'll make sure.
The session was really good. We look forward for more such sessions where these activities are more.
Alright, thank you.
So yeah, it's a great thing that you guys put in the effort to come at 10 o'clock on one working day. Yeah, so basically BTC stands for making you industry ready. That's what is our motto for this session, and this is one of the starting pillars, communication. So we planned to start our first event on communication. This will be a series of events under the banner Articulate. We'll be having multiple speaker sessions. Next up, we'll be having people who are already placed, who cleared their HR round, who cleared their GD round. We'll be having them as speakers, and yeah, they'll be coming up. We are having MBA folks clear out your doubts on communication. That's how we plan out this whole Articulate thing. It will be going on frequently. The frequency of this event we can't commit right now, but yeah, people will try to make it every week. But yeah, it all depends on your participation. It was the first event. We are also recording the whole thing so that I can refer it later on. We'll be uploading on our YouTube channel. And yeah, just share it on to your friends so that they know what they missed out and what they could have learned from the event.
And if we get a good enough response from you, we might consider inviting industry specialists so that you get a more clear idea on how this entire interview thing works.
So like they have addressed the frequency question. So frequency of this event depends on your participation. If you are ready to come for this thing every single day, we can have this every day. If you want to have this once a month, we can have this once a month. It depends on you. If you want to learn, then we are here for you. And this is, as I mentioned, one of the first initiatives under the Industry Ready program. We are going to have other programs as well, but communication is one thing without which you cannot expect to get anything out of our institute, especially when it comes to your placements. Even if any one of you wants that thinks that no, I don't want placement, I want to do my startup. Even for startups, you need to pitch your ideas, right? So that's why we took this initiative, because we found that there are people in the institute from 4th years also. They are very much advanced, they are very good by nature, but they lack in their communication skill, unfortunately. So like it's really good, and we are really happy that even the 3rd years have showed up here. The 4th years are also here. Because the first thing that you did, you stepped out of your hostel rooms and you reached here. This is what that makes you different from the other people who are right now sleeping at their rooms. Because keep one thing in mind, Sharmana, koi bhi. There is nothing to be ashamed of when you are here trying to improve yourself. Because अभी तक तुम लोग might be you might have be like a little hesitant, and that's why you right now feel that no, I cannot speak on this topic, no, I cannot do this. So अभी तक the mistakes that you have made, please don't repeat that. Because I think there might be people from your school only, and they would be so much advanced in technical communication, and you are like we are not. Why? Because we were hesitant at that time to speak on this any topic, to speak in front of people. Right now we are getting another opportunity. We have the like-minded people, we have the people who want to learn with us, who want to learn the technical communication. And when we mention the word technical alongside communication, we are focusing on technical communication. We don't want you to be advanced up to the level of like someone who can match the level of William Shakespeare. We are not like focusing on literature. Technical communication, you just have to deliver your thoughts. You just have to cope up with the interview round, the GD rounds. You saw the people from MUSO. Any topic they got, they could speak on that, and that was very fluent. Just develop that thing. You don't have to use that so much high-level words. And this session is for you only. If you can show up on every single day, we can have this on daily basis. We can have this on weekly basis, even the month. So it depends on the students of this institute only, and we are here for you only as a student body, as the secretaries of Gymkhana Technical. We are here from your upliftment only.
Just remember one thing: we all are here to learn. Right? No one was born an expert. No one came here as an expert. हम सब वो same JEE के process से आए हैं, and we are here on our merit. And even when it comes to communication, even all of us started at the exact same position. It's just that some people took a step to work on it, and some people, maybe your friends were still sleeping in their rooms, they're not interested in taking a step further. So don't ever be ashamed to come up to someone and just want to learn.
So that's all. If you have any feedback, you can give now.
Anything that you expect from Gymkhana Technical or anything?
Regarding anything, not just articulate, even if there are other things that you want us to do.
Then you can wrap up.
Fine.
Okay, so please be aware about the future notifications of articulate, and if we are putting in efforts, that we do expect a little commitment from your side. Because if you are not committed, if you are not regular, then there is no need to have any initiative like this. So please be committed, and this we can assure you that by the end of this session, by the end of our tenure, I think about 6 months from here on, you will see some positive changes in yourself through these initiatives. So please be with us throughout the entire process, and we'll grow together. Okay? So thank you so much. Thank you everyone for coming and showing up here. And we'll